In this video, we'll take you through the setup of your new Venu Sq smartwatch and introduce you to some features you're going to love. After charging, download the Garmin Connect app on your compatible smartphone to begin the easy setup process. It will walk you through how to get your smartwatch up and running and paired with your smartphone. Next, you will be prompted to set up safety and tracking features, music controls, Garmin Pay, and more. You can edit these features later by opening Garmin devices from the Garmin Connect main menu, selecting your device, and choosing the feature you want to update. Now, let's take a look at your watch. Swipe up or down to view the My Day widget, health stats, smart notifications, music controls, and more. Tap on My Day to see more details such as steps, intensity minutes, calories burned, and tap Health Stats to view heart rate, body battery, stress, respiration, and more. To access the controls menu, press and hold the top button for 2 seconds. In this menu, you can quickly access the Find My Phone feature, your Garmin Pay wallet, music controls, and more. From settings, you can connect headphones, if you have a compatible model. You can also select and edit the order of widgets, add a shortcut, find additional settings, and more. Press the bottom button, or simply swipe right, to go back to the previous screen. Press the top button to access activities. Tap individual activities to select them, then press the top button to add them to your favorites list. To edit and add more activities, press and hold the bottom button, then select Manage Apps. Tap an activity to reorder it, remove it, or add it to favorites. When you're done editing the list, press the bottom button to go back. Then you can tap to select the activity when you're ready to run, do yoga, or whatever sport you choose. To manage settings and data fields for each activity, tap on the activity, swipe up, and select Settings. All set? Press the top button to start your activity. Then press the bottom button to track laps, reps, or even poses during the activity. When you want to stop an activity, press the top button. You can press the top button again to resume the activity, or tap to save or discard the activity. To activate the assistance feature, press and hold the top button longer than you would to access the controls menu until the watch vibrates 3 times. This can send a message and your location to the emergency contacts you've set up in the Garmin Connect app on your compatible smartphone. If you have a Venu Sq Music Edition, you can store your music on your watch or even download your playlists from your third-party music providers. To download music from your own digital music collection, install the Garmin Express application on your computer. Then, connect your watch to the computer using the included USB cable. Next, open Garmin Express. Select your device, then select Music to begin transferring the songs and albums you want. To download your music from your third-party providers such as Spotify or Amazon Music, start by opening the Garmin Connect app and selecting the More icon. Tap Garmin Devices, then choose your device. Then select Music. To connect to a new provider, select Get Music Apps. Then download the Connect IQ Store app on your compatible smartphone if you haven't already. Search for your preferred music provider to download the app to your Venu Sq. Then you're ready to start downloading your music. Then, all that's left to do is to pair your headphones using Bluetooth technology. Just bring the headphones within range of your device and enable pairing mode. On your watch, hold down the bottom button. Select the Settings icon, followed by Music, Headphones, and Add New. Select your headphones to complete the pairing process. Now you're ready to get out there and get moving. Thanks for watching.